In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a sheet, how to make a copy of a sheet. Now, say you want to create a copy of this particular sheet. Say you don't want to start all over again. There is a template in this sheet you want to duplicate and make use of. So to duplicate, you press down the Control key on your keyboard and you drag the sheet you want to duplicate to whatever position you want to place it. So I'll just drop it here. You can see the plus sign on that symbol, so drop it wherever you want to place the copied sheet or the duplicated sheet, and Excel will duplicate that sheet for you. Another way you can duplicate a sheet is to right click on it and click on move or copy, and then click on create a copy. You can then click on any of these to show the exact position you want the sheet to be located. Then click on OK, and Excel will create a copy of that sheet for you.